Ever hear a story about a guy who struck gold in a digital mine? Maybe he unearthed a hidden vein of Bitcoin or stumbled across a secret stash of Ethereum. Now he's sitting on a mountain of crypto, ready to cash in. But hold on a second, can he just waltz out with his newfound fortune? Building context, 030 to 130. Chances are, our mystery crypto millionaire, let's call him Doug, uses a platform like Kraken to store and trade his digital assets. Kraken is one of the biggest names in the crypto exchange game, offering a secure and reliable platform for all your crypto needs. But here's the thing, no exchange operates in a Wild West free-for-all. There are rules, regulations, and most importantly, withdrawal limits. Introducing the topic, 1:30 to 2 o'clock. So, the burning question is, how much loot can Doug actually snatch from his Kraken account in a single day? Well, that, my friends, depends. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of Kraken withdrawal limits. Verification levels and limits explained, 2 to 4 o'clock. Kraken, like most exchanges, operates with a tiered account system. Think of it like climbing a ladder. The higher you climb, the more features and benefits you unlock, including, you guessed it, higher withdrawal limits. There are 4 rungs on the Kraken ladder. Starter account, this is the entry point, perfect for crypto newbies. But there's a catch, starter accounts can't withdraw fiat currency, like USD or Euro, at all. On the crypto side, withdrawals are capped at a modest $5,000 per day. Intermediate account, this level unlocks fiat withdrawals, with a daily limit of $500,000. Crypto withdrawals remain the same as starter at $5,000 per day. Pro accounts and beyond, 4 to 5:30. Now things get interesting. Buckle up for the Pro account, this is where things start getting serious. Pro accounts offer significantly higher withdrawal limits, with both fiat and crypto withdrawals reaching a whopping $1 million per day. The big leagues, Pro Plus, 5:30 to 6:30. Finally, we reach the summit, the Pro Plus account. This exclusive tier is designed for high-volume traders and institutions. Here, the limits disappear into the ether, pun intended. With Pro Plus, you can potentially withdraw tens of millions of dollars daily. Reaching higher verification levels, 6:30 to 7:30. But wait, how does Doug, or you for that matter, climb this verification ladder? It all boils down to completing a process called Know Your Customer, KYC. This involves submitting identification documents and proof of residence to verify your identity. The more information you provide, the higher the verification level you can reach. Important considerations, 7:30 to 8:30. Now, before you go KYC crazy, there are a few things to remember. First, these limits are daily. They reset every 24 hours, so you can withdraw the maximum amount again the next day. Second, these are global averages. Depending on your location and specific situation, your limits might be slightly different. Security matters, 8:30 to 9 o'clock. Finally, and most importantly, Kraken prioritizes security. So, if you're making a large withdrawal, they might request additional verification steps to ensure it's really you moving the money. This might slow things down a bit, but hey, better safe than sorry, right? Alternative solutions, 9 to 9:30. Let's say you need to move a massive amount of crypto and even a Pro Plus account isn't enough. There are alternative solutions. Kraken offers over-the-counter, OTC, trading for high-volume transactions. This involves working directly with Kraken to negotiate a deal outside the regular trading platform. Remember, limits are for a reason, 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Withdrawal limits might seem like a hassle, but they serve a crucial purpose. They help Kraken prevent fraud, money laundering, and other malicious activities. So, while they might put a damper on Doug's immediate withdrawal dreams, they ultimately keep the entire Kraken ecosystem safe and secure.